what you
dance.
You definitely a lot more blonde,
Are you kidding me? Oh my God! It's divine.
just had a meeting. What do you think?
I'm over the top.
She is excited. Look at her. She's squealing.
Just trimming out. So weird.
That is really good. That's crazy good.
You forget what you put in there? For real, we saw him make it. We saw him make it.
You stirred it.
That quick.
This is delicious.
You done got lost.
That's from the potato? Yeah. So these are good. These are good now.
Those are good now.
Can we get insurance to cover this? Really? Are you ate that?
I did.
Okay.
How was that?
Yeah, but how do you not? It is.
And guilt-free.
But how?
And there's nothing on it. It's nuts. This is so good. Crazy stuff. This is like really good.
Okay, tell me if you can taste what's different.
Oh my God.
So talk to me.
I mean, this is
This is good.
cabbage.
This is really.
The whole meal is including dessert.
It's how many?
That 500.
What?
That's amazing. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Now you see how your kids would eat your vegetables?
I do.
We have a 98% turnaround, all ages.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is a game changer.
It is.
Oh my goodness. Wow. And it's guilt-free.
Guilt-free,
the
diabetic
best part.
friendly. Do you normally like vegetables? No. Really? And do they taste better? That's awesome.
We recorded this.
I love your enthusiasm.
I mean, it's just. There's no words. There's no words.
And Michelle, you're thinking about being a spokesman for this.
Yeah.
It's awesome. You'd be awesome at it. I love this. These are why I love my job. You just never know whose life you're going to change, and people just need to share this.